Hi, my name's Hayley from the Pittsburgh Pirates, and I'm going to read Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. It's interactive, so make sure you get nice and close and touch your monitor. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, no one's looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Go ahead. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push that button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end.